Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here and I'm back with another video. And in this particular video we'll be doing a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus and MI wireless power bank, which is 10,000 mAh in the capacity. These both are very great accessories to be used for our Android phones. So basically this can be used for even for the iPhone, but these are the best if used with Android phones. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and make and unbox these particular things. So as you can see, and here we have the Galaxy Buds. Let me quickly open this. So after opening, you can see some booklets in this particular box. So it's an instructions and a warranty card. I don't know why Samsung or any other company still ship with these things. You don't need a warranty card in this particular guide itself, because it is only on the basis of your bill. So that's it, and you can see how to use the touchpad and all in this particular quick guide. So that's it for this particular box. Let's keep it aside and see what else do we have in this. So here we have, I am guessing it would be a charger. Yes, it's a charger. So basically it's an USB type A to type C cable, a good quality cable, and it is written that made in Vietnam. Other than that, we also have this buds, a changeable size which can be used. So good, they are including this. So these are what it's included. So this has been included in this particular thing. And apart from this, we also have the Galaxy Buds. So it's here, and it's in a very shiny material, glossy finish, you can say. I see there are some, if you can see, there are some scratches already on this particular box, as you can see here, or maybe some sticker has been inserted on this, no idea, but let's go ahead and open this box. So as you can see, I don't find any charge here. I think it's fully discharged one, because there is no light indication here. However, you can see the earbuds itself. So here are these earbuds. As you can see, it's in a glossy finish, and unfortunately it's a already scratched one and no charge in it. Let's see, keeping it all aside, and let's go ahead for the another unboxing here. And we have the MI wireless power bank. Let's do the unboxing of this. And what all is included in the box, let's see. It also have a guide. If you want to read, you can read it out. And other than that, we have a wireless power bank and a small USB A to USB C cable. Good, it support USB C. Now going forward to the power bank itself. Yes, here is the power bank. As you can see, we have a charging instruction here, and a USB type C cable, type C port, USB type A port, which is for out, and this is for in. So basically both the ports can be used. This can be used for in, and even this can be used for in. Sorry, this can be used for in and this can be used for out for charging the cable. Also the USB type C to type C cable can be used to charge this particular power bank, and from this to charge other phone can be done from this. Also you can see we have some power here. Let's charge this, as this also support the wireless charging. Let's check if it charges it. So here we are. Let's keep this on the charger and check. So as you can see, it light up. I have not connected any USB here and it's charging. Now let's check from the power bank unit from here. Does it charge the power bank? Does it charge it directly from here? Let's check it out. So yeah, it can charge with this also. So that's it guys for this particular video. I hope you liked it, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, please subscribe to my channel